Hi, my name is Ernie Garcia. I'm a Texas real estate attorney whose primary office is located in Houston. And today I'd like to talk to you about landlord-tenant law and the things you can do to improve the quality of your relationships, particularly when things go wrong. How can you protect your most valuable assets? Well, I'm going to give you some tips that I think will assist you in the process. And hopefully, whether you watch this video or any of the future videos, you come away feeling a little better about your understanding of what landlord-tenant law is all about. I've been practicing for 8 years in this very specific area of law and understand landlord-tenant law quite well. However, whatever tips or advice you hear from these videos, please know that none of it will substitute for advice from an in-person consultation with a licensed Texas attorney. And so you're encouraged to reach out to a Texas attorney and discuss your matter, specifically should you feel you need additional legal advice. You can call out to us at our telephone number or visit us on our website. You can contact me directly by email and I'll be happy to respond to any of your landlord-tenant related questions. Today we're going to talk about what I like to call hassle-free eviction. In Texas, we're subject to the Texas Property Code, but so many people are unsure or misinformed about what the Texas Property Code requires of them. In this video and other videos, you'll get some valuable information that I think will help smooth out some of these inconsistencies and misunderstandings that landlords have that tend to get them in trouble in front of Texas courts. And so hopefully you walk away better informed and with a clearer understanding of what your duties and obligations are as a landlord who rents property in Texas. Now, whether you're interested in information about commercial or residential real estate, we can offer advice on both. And a lot of what you're going to hear will correlate to both. Not everything is exactly the same for a commercial tenant than for a real estate tenant. For more specific advice, again, please contact a licensed Texas attorney. And what we'll cover today has to do with the appeals process that's involved with many of these evictions. We're going to talk about the filing that's involved with these evictions, what's required of a landlord to file and to adequately inform the tenant and the court of the default that you're claiming that gives you the right to recover possession from this tenant. We're also going to talk about some of the things that are harder to grasp, like the unpredictability of courts. In Harris County alone, there are 16 justice courts, all of which funnel into 4 county courts. And most people don't understand the process, and some people file lawsuits in the wrong court. We're going to help you comb through that process. We're going to talk about holes in the law. The legislature has built an effective means of eviction, but it's not a perfect one, and we'll talk about those imperfections. We'll also talk about logistics that might encourage you to seek legal counsel, including a desire to minimize your lost time at work, a desire to update yourself on how the law has changed over the last 5, 10, or 15 years. We're also going to talk about the different kinds of things that affect your role as a landlord. And so I hope you enjoy these videos. I hope you find them informative. Any questions you might have, feel free to reach out to us again by email, by telephone, or by checking us out online.